that water. Look at how dirty they are. Look at the dirt that came out of it. See. So hello my lovely people, you all are welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new here, my name is Rosemary Renders, and on today's video I am simply going to show you guys how you can take care of your lashes and use it up to 20 to 25 30 times if you take care of them. Before I go further, I want to first of all tell you guys this is my lash line, by the way. So in case you want to know more about them, you just hit me up at my Instagram handle at rosesglam_mua. I'm going to leave the name down there. Just check it out. Just inbox me. I will give you information about them. And this is a pure mink lashes. Okay, you can use it up to 25 to 30 times. Okay, so how does it work? I'm going to show you guys how you can wash your lashes after using it up to 3-4 times. You know, you have to wash it out. You can't be taking the glues and whatever to be putting on your eyes, so you need to take care of them. You know, keep them safe so that it will be easily reusable whenever you want to use it. But before we go into that, if you've not subscribed to my channel, consider clicking that button right down there, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to notify you each time I post a new video. So we are going to go into that. So what I do, I go ahead to use the tweezers to take them out. Just put them inside the water. So you might be asking, how am I going to identify each of them? Yes, I'm going to identify because I know them and there are different patterns. So when you get each pattern, you will definitely get the one that follows suit. Okay, so we go ahead to put them. This one, I got it. I was given this one as a gift from my school. I went there, the makeup designery in the cosmetics. I went there for something and I was given this one. I love it so much. I love it. It's so nice. By the way, I love lashes. These are the lashes that you can fix. Even if you didn't make up, it change your face automatically. These lashes are bomb. Anybody that buys it, they come back buying it because it's weightless. You use it up to 30 times if you take care of them properly. You know, it's lashes that you want to keep around. You know, it's very handy, you know. And in case you're learning how to fix lashes, there is a link up there that I made how to fix lashes. Okay, now today I'm bringing how you can keep them clean in order to reuse it whenever necessary. All right, so you might be wondering, have I used all this? Yes, I have used them. I have used them up to three times. So I said, okay, since I'm washing one, it's better I washed everything at the same time. Okay, so these are there. I go ahead to soak them in the water. I'm going to leave it here for about 10 to 15 minutes before I come back to take away all the dirt around them. Okay, so we leave it here and we will come back for it. All right guys, it's exactly 15 minutes I left it, so I'm going to clean it up. As you can see, the water has changed color because of the dirt that came out from the lashes, and some of them just wash themselves up. You know, the dirt has gone out. Example like this, there is nothing on here, it has gone out. So the ones that I had, I'm going to use tweezer to gently take out the glue or the whatever that is in it that is stubborn to go out. Okay, so watch me while I do that. Okay, look at this. We still have some glue with some color eyeshadow left on it. So I'm going to do this. When you are doing this, if you are going to follow this step, when you are doing it, make sure you take your time to take them away, because if you pull it so hard, you might mistakenly take out the strips that they used to hold the lashes together. So what you do is just take your time to take them away. Look at that. It's something that you take your time, don't rush. do this when you're not going anywhere. Just use it to relax, okay? Just watch me while I go away to take away the dirt. Guys, I don't know what is wrong with my voice. Honestly, my voice gone sour since yesterday. Oh my word, I woke up this morning with a heavy headache and the voice is gone. I don't know. So while you do this, you go away, take your time. So take a look at this. I've done this one and look at what came out of it. So you need to take your time and don't rush so that you won't get the lashes messed up. You won't put the strips that is holding them together. Okay. Yeah. Just take a look at this, and this is not what you would like to place back on your eyelashes, okay? So you need to always keep it clean. At least this one is washed and you can use it again up to 3-4 times before you can wash it again, meaning that this lashes is something that you can use up to 25 to 30 times if you actually take care of them and keep them well. Of course, you need to take care of them because this goes around eye area, so take your time to take care of them, unless you want to be buying lashes every time, throwing them away. It's up to you, but in order to save that money, it's better you go for the quality, and this is it. You know, not only that I washed it, it's also conditioned. Okay, so I place this one here. Go ahead to wash other ones. Like I said, some of them have rinsed out, because they don't have lots of dirt on them. They automatically rinse out, so it's just tiny glues that are left on them. So this is the last one. I'm going to get a clean water to rinse them. Look at that water. Look at how dirty they are. Look at. And look at the dirt that came out of it. So you wouldn't want to put such things on your eyes. So you have to take them away. So I'm going to get rid of this water and take a clean one to rinse them. Okay, so this is my clean water. I'm going to put them to the water. Yeah, I'm going to turn this way because I'm going to towel dry them when I'm done. I don't want to leave them around here because of the kids. Okay, they are very soft because of the conditioner I used to soak them. Okay. So this is water, and I'm going to try to look at some of the dirt that fell on this. So I will go ahead and arrange them in the box, then bring them back for you to see. Okay. So guys, I'm done, dried and repackaged back, so they are ready to reuse. You see? So this is how you go to keep your lashes clean. If you use it, take it out, put it back until the time you need to wash it. You can take it out, wash it. If you think where you keep it something might happen to it, either breeze take it away or the kids play with it. If you're a family person, you just use your towel to towel dry it and fix it back. So guys, this is how I get my lashes clean and reused. So if you find this video interesting or useful, do give it a thumb up and leave your opinion at the comment section. I will attend to them. And remember, if you've not subscribed to my channel, do consider clicking on that button right down there, that red button right down there, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to notify you each time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and do share this video. Do share it. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you up again in my next video, and pray for me. Just pray for me for my voice to come back. I don't know what happened to it. Thank you so much. I do love you all. Bye bye for now. I will catch you up in my next video. Bye bye.